Happy Sunday, guys. I had to show you the oldest dog in the world. This is a pair. This dog is from 2000 to 2024. He's very older than my brother.
She
is older than my brother. And I have a lot of dogs, but I cannot show you because they're far.
Oh God.
This is the oldest one in my pets. This is the oldest dog I have. Okay. Bye, guys.